In this lesson, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions. Now, whenever you're adding or subtracting fractions, you want to get common denominators. So let's start with the first example, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. If you're just adding or subtracting two fractions, here's what you can do. The first fraction, we're going to multiply it using the denominator of the second. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by 4 over 4. The second fraction, I'm going to multiply it using the denominator of the first. So I'm going to multiply it by 3 over 3. Now, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. And whenever you multiply 1 by any number, you're going to get that number. So we're not changing the value of these two fractions by doing this. So let's multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Here we have 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Now that we have the same denominator, we can add the numerators of the two fractions. 8 plus 3 is 11, so we're going to get 11 over 12. That's the answer for the first problem. Now let's do something similar for the second. Let's multiply the first fraction using the denominator of the second. So we're going to multiply the first fraction by 5 over 5. And the second fraction, we're going to multiply using the denominator of the first. So we're going to multiply it by 4 over 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. So this will be 20 as well. And 1 times 4 is 4. So now we have the same denominator. We can subtract the numerators of the two fractions. 15 minus 4 is 11. So we're going to get 11 over 20. So that's how you can add or subtract two fractions. The key here is to get common denominators.